If your videos keep getting stuck at 100 views, 200 views, and you're wondering why is your views not getting up to 1,000, 2,000, 40,000, just like this one on the screen, and still counting, keep watching this video. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Favor, and this is my concept. Well, in this channel I help you grow on YouTube. Yeah, I share all the tips that I apply to help me grow my own channel. Now, what's the reason why your views are not going up? Or sometimes you see they go up, they get to like 100 and something, and then they just get stuck there. There is something you need to look at. Number one, check, is your account verified? If you're not sure, just go to www.youtube.com/verify. Look at it there on the screen. Check and make sure you can see this. Make sure this is what you can see on your screen. Okay, if this has been verified and you're sure that okay, your account is verified, so that's not an issue, YouTube is not wondering whether you are a bot or like you're not a real human, just make sure your account has been, your phone number has been verified. If that one is sorted, then check your contents again. Are your contents really valuable? Like, are you bringing value? Because nobody just wants to come and be wasting their time watching something that doesn't really add value to their lives. Yes, so if you think your content, go and watch your content again. Check that video again. This video, did it even make sense? Ask yourself that question. If it doesn't, then try and work on your content. Change your niche if the need is required. Yeah, just change your niche. Bring something that will like give us value. Yeah, like for example, now I'm showing you how to grow on YouTube. A lot of people want to grow. I'm showing you how to get views. This is based on my own experience, right? You can see on the screen there, see my video, look at the views the thing amounted to, and it's still going up. You understand? And that's not all. We need to grow together. That's why I'm bringing this valuable content to you. And of course, if you like that kind of valuable content, hit the like button, subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I bring this valuable content to your table, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, now check that your content, does it bring value? Is it really a good content? If you make sure your phone number has been verified, you check that on all your content, you might know say it makes sense. Then the next thing you need to do, don't just post video. A famous YouTuber say you post a video and then you ghost off. You post a video, you just leave it. You don't do that. You there's work. See, if you've started YouTube, just know that YouTube requires work. Yes, it requires hard work. You don't just post a video and say, oh, it will blow. How? You need to do a little bit of work. First of all, you posted a video maybe last 3 weeks and you just sat down doing nothing. You need to try and be consistent. Pick a schedule, stick to that schedule, okay? And not just that, after you post a video, follow up that video on your studio. Some people say it used to give their high blood pressure if they keep checking their studio. Oh, this video is not doing well. See, don't allow it give you high blood pressure. The most important thing you need to do is check that video. How is it doing? Check the analytics. How is YouTube showing the video to people and they are refusing to watch? Check the reach. You understand? If you check this thing, then you'll be able to know what to do next. Don't just post a video and leave it there. I have a lot of friends that keep saying, and even some of my students keep saying, oh, I'm posting, no views. And then when I go back to check the video, I see a lot of faults in it. You're not even using the appropriate hashtag, or some are not even using hashtags at all. You understand? You need to do the work. Watch videos. Go to my channel. I do YouTube growth tips. Watch video. Watch it from beginning to end. Make sure you learn. Document. Take a biro and pen or book. Write as okay, this is the one I'm not doing. I'll make sure I do it. Try and improve in your next video. Do you understand? Okay, now if you post a video, go and watch that video. Use your second phone. If you don't have second phone, use your second email address. Tell your friend, use their phone. Watch that video from beginning to end. Comment. Pin the comments. You understand? All of these little acts, they go a long way. You understand? Don't just sit and say, oh, I'm not getting the views. These are the little actions you will need to take that will give you the views. Okay? Okay, all right. If you do this one, you've checked your phone number is verified, you are posting consistently, you are using the correct tags, you check your title, they are all good. Next thing you need to do is to optimize your video, optimize it. You understand? Make sure it's reaching the right people. You post a video today, give it some time, okay? Let algorithm do their work. Don't even start sharing that video. No, allow the algorithm do their work and monitor that video in your analytics section. Check this video, is it being shown to people and they are refusing to watch? Do I need to change something? Sometimes look at this thing on the screen. Check this impression click-through rates. You see this little information here, click on it. It will tell you. You can see, this is from one of my videos. Excuse me. It was saying you need to change. It will tell you need to change your title or your thumbnail. That is optimizing your videos. Yeah. So you don't just post a video and leave it. You need to optimize that video. Okay. Try and optimize it. If you need help optimizing your video, I always recommend vidIQ. Check the link in my description. If you don't have vidIQ app, use the link in my description to download the app. It helps. Yeah, if you're monetized, this is what I always recommend. If you're monetized already, you started earning the little cash, use that money and invest. Use that money, upgrade the plan on that vidIQ so that it will help you. There are other optimization apps or whatever it's called, like TubeBuddy, Google Trends, even the ChatGPT now that is really making waves, helping a lot of content creators. Yeah, I'm bringing the secrets to you. Yes, this is it. There's no two way about this thing. You see that views, we'll get it. You will get it. If you do these things I mentioned now, check that your phone number is verified. If yes, check that content is really valuable. If you've done that one, monitor your content immediately after you post it. Go and check the title, check the thumbnail, check the description, check the tags. Just like I mentioned in my other video, the video where I talked about what you need to do to get more views and subscribers. Check it. Or even the other video where I talked about the settings, important settings you need to change. Check that video. If you've done all these things, then you optimize that video. If you leave this one, you see that your thumbnail is nice and all of that, you give it time. If it doesn't give you that view, go and change your thumbnail. If I click on this impression click-through rate thing, that information, that symbol I just showed you now, click on it, it will tell you, viewers are not choosing to watch. Maybe you need to change. Of course, they are telling you what to do. Maybe this information has been sitting down there in your studio and you are sitting there saying you're not getting views. Meanwhile, you're the one not taking action. At the verse, yes. I'm angry. Yeah, you need to sit up. You need to act. We're not here on this platform to play. We did not come here to sit down and just and just make video. We just make video and then get 10 views, 20 views, 50 views. For what? The time is money. Yeah. So they need to pay you for that time. Okay. This is like a little ginger for you. It's a little ginger. If you like this content, hit that like button. Subscribe if you've not. Okay, subscribe to this channel. We share YouTube growth tips, how to get your 1,000 subscribers. Because see, if you're getting views from one video, this is one of my videos that went viral. You can see the number of subscribers I got just from one video. You can see the watch hours I got from one video. So meaning, if you're getting that view, you are sorted. Subscriber will not be a problem. Watch hour will not be a problem. So do the right things. Make sure all these things are in check. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll be happy to help you out. We must grow. We must grow in this 2025. Thank you for watching this video up until this point. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, stay blessed. Bye.